This video is for the National 5 Graphic Communication assignment for 2023, which is the desk lamp. In this video, we are going to create the toggle switch, which is shown on datasheet 1C. Now, similar to the other parts of the desk lamp, this can be made in multiple ways. However, because it is cylindrical and it is symmetrical, the easiest way to make it will be revolve. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at drawing half of the shape, and then we're going to revolve it around the centre axis to create the toggle switch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Inventor. We're going to go to File, New, select Metric, and then select a standard millimetre part. Once we've done that, we're going to start a 2D sketch, and we're going to select the XY plane. Now we're going to draw half of the toggle switch. And I'm going to start from the bottom and I'm going to work my way up. So we can see that the bottom of the toggle switch has a height of 8. Overall width is a diameter of 20, but we'll half that to get 10. We can see that the top part, so this little rounded part, has a full width of 13. So again, we're going to half that to 6.5. So in Inventor, I'm going to start off with the line tool. And I'm going to start drawing half of my shape. So I'm going to go up 8 millimeters. I'm going to go along 10 millimeters. I'm going to go back down to 8 and join them together. So I've got a box 8 by 10. And then at the top of my first 8 line, I'm going to go up 5 millimeters. I'm going to go out to the right at 6.5. And again, I'm going to join that down the way until I reach the first box that I created. Now looking at the drawing, we can see that this has a curve at 3. So I'm going to go to Fillet and I'm going to change it to 3 millimeters. And I'm going to select my 6.5 line and my 5 line. So I've got a curve here at 3 millimeters. Next, we're going to look at doing the kind of stem with the top of the toggle switch. And we can see that from the top of our 8 line to the centre of the rounded part at the top, it is 28. So I'm going to start off by sketching that line. So I'm going to get the line tool. And remember, it's not the top of the 5, it's the top of the first 8 that we've done. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to go up 28. And we know that that is the centre of this circle. And the circle has a radius of 4, so it'll be a diameter of 8. So I'm going to click Circle. I'm going to click the top of my 28, and I'm going to draw a circle at 8, like so. Now I will need to look at trimming half of this circle away. So I'm going to use my line tool just to join up the little bit in the centre that is missing. And then I'm going to click Trim, and I'm just going to trim half of that circle away, like so. Now we can see that the little kind of stem part of the toggle switch is a circle again, but it has a diameter of 3, so we're going to have to draw a kind of thickness of 1.5. So I'm going to go down into the top of my 5 line. So there's my original 8, and there's my 5, and I'm going to just go along my 6.5 line 1.5. And then I'm going to bring this line up until it touches my circle, like so. Now that we've done half the shape, we can finish the sketch. I'm going to click revolve, and I'm going to make sure that I click all 4 parts of my toggle switch. I'm then going to select the axis, and I'm going to select the 28 line, like so. Press OK, and then that fully revolves around the center axis to create the toggle switch. That's that done, so I can now go to File, Save As, and Save Somewhere Safe.